Dallas weather presents unique challenges for homeowners, with hot summers, mild winters, and occasional storms. Choosing the right windows for your home is essential for maintaining comfort, reducing energy costs, and ensuring your property is prepared for changing conditions. The right windows can make a significant difference in energy efficiency, durability, and overall satisfaction. Here's a guide to help you choose the best windows for Dallas weather. Prioritize energy efficiency. Dallas summers bring intense heat, so energy efficiency is crucial for keeping your home cool and reducing utility bills. Energy-efficient windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your indoor temperature stable and comfortable. Low-E glass. Low emissivity glass has a special coating that reflects heat while allowing natural light to pass through, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Double or triple glazing. Multi-pane windows with insulating gas, like argon or krypton, between panes improve insulation and reduce energy loss. U factor and SHGC. Look for windows with a low U factor, indicating better insulation, and a low solar heat gain coefficient, SHGC, to block heat from the sun. Energy-efficient windows not only enhance comfort but also reduce your carbon footprint and save money on energy bills. Choose durable materials. Dallas's fluctuating temperatures and occasional storms require windows made from materials that can withstand harsh conditions. Durable frames ensure long-lasting performance and minimal maintenance. Vinyl frames. Resistant to warping and cracking, vinyl is an affordable, low-maintenance option that performs well in Dallas's climate. Fiberglass frames. Known for their strength and energy efficiency, fiberglass frames resist expansion and contraction due to temperature changes. Aluminum frames. Lightweight and strong, aluminum is ideal for modern designs but should include thermal breaks to enhance insulation. Wood frames. While wood offers excellent insulation and a classic look, it requires regular maintenance to prevent damage from humidity and heat. The right frame material ensures your windows remain functional and attractive for years to come. Consider impact-resistant glass. While hurricanes are not common in Dallas, severe thunderstorms and high winds can occur. Impact-resistant windows provide added protection against flying debris and harsh weather conditions. Laminated glass. Designed with a durable interlayer, laminated glass won't shatter upon impact, keeping your home and family safe. Reinforced frames. Paired with impact-resistant glass, these frames ensure your windows stay intact even in extreme conditions. For additional peace of mind, impact-resistant windows also enhance home security by deterring intruders. Maximize ventilation options. Ventilation is essential for maintaining air quality and comfort, especially during Dallas's milder months when you can rely less on your HVAC system. Casement windows. Hinged at the side, casement windows open fully, allowing maximum airflow and energy efficiency. Double-hung windows. With two operable sashes, these windows provide flexibility for ventilation while maintaining a traditional aesthetic. Sliding windows. Easy to operate and space-efficient, sliding windows are ideal for areas with limited room for outward opening windows. Choosing windows that promote ventilation helps you enjoy fresh air and reduces dependence on air conditioning. Opt for UV protection. the Texas sun can be intense, and prolonged exposure to UV rays can damage furniture, flooring, and artwork. Windows with UV blocking capabilities protect your home's interior while maintaining natural light. UV blocking coatings. Many modern windows include coatings that filter out up to 99% of harmful UV rays. Tinted glass. Subtle tints reduce glare and UV exposure, enhancing indoor comfort without sacrificing visibility. UV protection ensures your home stays bright and beautiful without the risk of fading or heat buildup. Style matters for curb appeal. Windows are a prominent feature of your home's exterior, so selecting the right style can enhance your property's curb appeal while meeting functional needs. Modern homes. Opt for large picture windows or sleek casement windows with minimalist frames. Traditional homes. Double-hung or bay windows with decorative grids complement classic architectural styles. Custom shapes. Arched or specialty-shaped windows add unique character and aesthetic appeal. The right window style adds personality to your home and ensures it stands out in your Dallas neighborhood. Professional installation for maximum performance. Even the best windows won't perform as expected if they're not installed correctly. Professional installation is essential for ensuring a snug fit, proper sealing, and optimal performance. Precision fit. Professionals ensure your windows are perfectly aligned, preventing air leaks and water infiltration. Code compliance. Expert installers adhere to local building codes and standards, guaranteeing your windows meet safety and performance requirements. Warranty protection. Many window manufacturers require professional installation to maintain warranty coverage. Working with experienced installers ensures your investment delivers long-lasting value and peace of mind. Conclusion. Windows tailored for Dallas weather. Choosing the best windows for your Dallas home means considering the city's hot summers, occasional storms, and diverse architectural styles. Energy efficiency, durability, ventilation, and UV protection should all factor into your decision, along with a design that enhances your home's aesthetic appeal. By prioritizing these features and working with a trusted professional for installation, you'll enjoy windows that keep your home comfortable, stylish, and secure for years to come. Ready to upgrade your windows? Consult a local expert to find the perfect options tailored to Dallas weather and your unique needs.